Some treatments can stop hair loss and regrow your hair, but not all are as effective as the others. So here's the list of least to most effective hair loss treatments. Number 5 is rosemary oil. It is very popular on social media today, but it will only work if your hair loss is not very aggressive. Number 4 is Ketoconazol shampoo. This shampoo has been shown to regrow some hair. To make it work, you need to use it 1 or 2 times a week and let it sit for at least 7 minutes on your scalp. Number 3 is the Derma Roller. The Derma Roller creates micro-punctures on your skin, which stimulates the derma papilla to grow healthier again. Derma rolling once a week is enough. Number 2, Minoxidil. Minoxidil is the strongest hair stimulator in existence today. People use it once or twice a day on their scalp, and you can start to see serious hair growth after only 3 months of using it. And finally, number 1 is Finasteride. This treatment is the best because it directly stops the hair loss hormone DHT from being produced. This is very effective in stopping your hair loss. But be careful and consult a doctor first, because some people taking finasteride say they experience sexual side effects.